Vedika, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
No, time ended.
Oh, okay. Am I boring
Recording
you?
time
This
ended.
is the reason you are
No, no.
discussing.
No.
Chill. See, now the new, the new app is opened. Okay, a new project is open.
Yeah.
So I don't want to confuse you with everything. Let me show you something. I'll connect through mobile. Okay, so that you can see.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is your Android Studio downloaded?
Yeah, it's something 650.
No problem. See, nearly 15 minutes is there. I'll do something. I'll teach you how to connect in mobile. So tomorrow exclusively, I'll help you to install your Android Studio in your system. Okay.
Yeah.
Any disk, I'll help you.
Okay.
It will take some time. Even you have nearly 14 days of time. So don't worry. I will be helping you. By end of the session, you will be creating your own application. Okay. I'll make sure of it. Got it?
Yep.
So it's very simple, ma. It's an USB, okay? It's a USB wire.
Yeah.
I'm going to connect in my system. Okay, very simple. I'll teach you. Just give me a minute. Let me connect. Yeah, it is connected. Eventually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect in my in my mobile. Okay. So what kind of mobile you said you are using? You are using Oppo, right?
Yeah.
So what we have to do is initially, right now the output is, can you see this? It is totally changed. Techno Mobile Limited. So my mobile is working.
Yeah.
To get an output, either you can use AVD as I said before, an emulator, or you can use your mobile. Okay.
Okay.
See, I have connected. So to connect, what you have to do is you have to go to mobile settings. Okay. Inside the mobile settings, okay, let me reduce the, okay. Can you see this? Okay. Inside the mobile settings, builder option will be there. Build option is there, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
No worries. By tomorrow, I'll help you. So we can connect, download in your mobile any disk. Even eventually, I'll help you to connect. I'll help you to get the output in your mobile. Okay, don't worry. So, but the thing is, I'm explaining so that tomorrow you will understand everything. Straight away, I don't want to explain everything for tomorrow, but I can straight away install it. Okay, so that we don't want to waste our time.
Yeah.
For installation, it will take more time according to the scenario right now we are happening, right? So that is the reason we are teaching everything today.
Yeah.
Do it tomorrow. It will be great. If you have any questions tomorrow, please let me please ask me. I'll help you. I'll answer it. Okay.
Sure.
Questions, please let me know. I'll answer it. So even if you have any doubts about the previous classes, please let me know. I'll help you. Okay. Clear? Chill.
Yeah.
So what you have to do is there is a name called builder option. So you have to select 7 times. If you keep on selecting, you have to tap for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So builder option will be opening. You got it? It's very easy, yeah. Not rocket science. It's very easy. Too easy. So see, there are different ways to use builder option. It's not about the coding. I'll tell you how the builder option works. So it is exclusively for hardware components. Okay. See, the builder option is like the manufacturers will be there, right? Mobile manufacturers.
Yeah.
So they'll be integrating the software with the hardware using this builder option. Okay. They'll use codings and they'll integrate it. This is the reason the builder option is there. most of them don't know about the builder option. It's because only the tech savvy people will know about the builder option. Okay, so 7 times you have to select.
Yeah.
Simply what you have to do is, let me show you. We have to go to developer option. Okay, so until that, developer option will never work in your mobile. Okay, right now we are in, it's too brightness is too heavy, right? Right now, can you see this? Okay, you can see this. Yeah, right now I am in developer option. Okay, developer option.
Yeah.
I'm switching, already it is switched on. Since I'm selecting 7 times, it will be automatically switched on. So as I discussed before,
Okay.
while entering the class, you will ask the teachers, may I get in, right? So that is as
Yeah.
that USB debugging will be working. So USB debugging is there. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So it is switched off. So what we have to do is we have to switch on the USB debugging. It will ask, do I really want to switch on the USB debugging? Yes. Okay. So
Yeah.
right now it is gone. Now it is coming. It's because I switched off it and I switched on it. Now it is working. That's it. Yeah. So tomorrow what we are going to see is 3 things. One is we are going to install the Android Studio in your system using AnyDisk. And the second thing is,
Yeah.
if it is possible, we'll try to install AVD. If your system is,
Okay.
I mean, pushing out, it is, if it is crying, we don't want to do it, we can install in your mobile. So in your mobile,
Yeah.
please install AnyDisk. Once it is, once the installation is completed, please uninstall the AnyDisk. AnyDisk is not a safe application. Okay, AnyDisk is like you know about AnyDisk. Let me teach how the
No.
work. Okay,
Okay.
you have AnyDisk in your PC now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So let me teach you. So see, go to AnyDisk now. Let me teach you. Okay, it will be quite interesting. AnyDisk is a platform you can access remotely. So it is quite interesting software. Go to your AnyDisk. I'll teach how to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
It's very easy. Yeah, don't worry. You might think,
What's
oh, I thought
it?
what?
What can we use by this index?
It's very simple.
What's used?
I'll teach you. That is the reason I'm asking you to do. Go to
Yeah.
open AnyDisk now.
Yeah. Opened.
There is an option called remote disk, right? You
Huh.
enter the number 225.
Just a second.
No problem. Take your own time.
225
972
72
548. I'll repeat the number again. 225 972 548. Okay. Exactly. See, right now in my, I mean, what I mean is in my system, it is asking permission, right? So I'm accepting this permission. Okay. So it will ask you, see, it is really a dangerous process. You are not supposed to do this. So it is asking whether to do or not. I'm selecting next. Okay. But see, so right now in your system, you can access my system. So that is the beauty of it. So it's really great to, it's, see, this is the beauty of technology. Okay. Right now you are using my laptop. Okay. You got my point, right? So see, this is how the technology works, but we have to use it in a good way. You got it? We always have to use this technologies in a good way. Okay. So see, please make sure you uninstall all the process. Okay. Once it is installed, please uninstall it. So no other users can access your system. You got my point, right? So or else you please, once it is complete, once the classes is completed, please disconnect this. Please make sure you are disconnecting this. Are you clear?
Yeah.
But right now I will be the mentor. If any other mentors are accessing, please don't forget, please uninstall this thing. Okay, please make sure you are disconnecting this. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Right now, that's it. Just give me a minute. That's it. So right now you are using my system, so it is fine.
Okay.
It is fine. But if I am using your system, it is complicated. So what you have to do is, after the completion of the video and after the completion of the classes, you have to disconnect it and you have to make sure it is disconnected or not. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Very good, ma. So any questions as of now? We'll discuss about. Right now I'm disconnecting it. Okay.
Yeah.
I have disconnected and yeah, I have disconnected. Okay. Again, it is asking, no, I don't want. Okay, it's regarding an installation. I don't want to do it now. So as of now, any doubts? Any doubts, please ask me. I mean, whether a previous classes or the current class. Any doubts, please ask me.
Yeah.
Any doubt, please tell me. See, it
No,
was.
no.
Oh, it's that much clear. I mean, am I scaring you or something, like because of my weird face, or am I scaring you? No, right? Miss Vedika, can you hear me? Miss Vedika, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, are you clear as of now?
Yeah.
Chill.
Yeah.
See, tomorrow what we have to do is, we have to install the three things we have to do. Again, I'll repeat it. We have to you have already downloaded Android Studio. We have to install it. You don't do it. It's because it's much complicated, as you've seen today. So I'll do it. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Anydesk, I'll do it. And the
Yeah.
second thing is, we are going to install AVD. I mean Android Virtual Device. So the third thing is, we have to connect in your mobile. The output, to get an output, we
Yeah.
have to connect an Android Studio in your mobile. We have to integrate it. That's very
Okay.
simple. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's loading has been done.
I'm sorry.
This Android Studio has downloaded.
Okay, you have time. Can we do it now?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Are you sure about it? If it is the case, it will be more essential for you.
Okay, then we can do it tomorrow.
No. If it is okay for you, we can do it now. So that we can discuss about the project structure tomorrow. You have time now. Do you really have time?
Yeah.
No, please ask your parents. I'll wait. If you really have a time, I'll take the classes now.
Yeah, I have time.
Okay, let's do it now. No problem.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. Let me. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Great. Just give me a minute. Let me open an AnyDesk. Again, I'm opening it. Can you please share your AnyDesk ID?
586
586
504
504
145.
145. Just give me a minute. Let me check. So it will ask permission. You have to accept it. After accepting, I can access your laptop, as I discussed before. Great, it is working. So please go to Android Studio straight away. Can I use it, if you don't mind?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
straight away I'm selecting this.
Okay.
You go select this. Yeah, select this. What is the error? Installation could not be administrator privileges. Must be about, okay. And it's because your system is not in an administrator, so it won't work. So what you have to do is, yeah, no problem, yeah, it happens. So what you have to do is, you have to go to administrator, you have to you have to be the administrator. So then only you can download it. Okay. So what was the issue? Yeah, see, it is asking permission. Press next. Okay. Yes. So just give me a minute. It will be downloaded. Yeah. I mean, it will be installed. Don't worry. Okay. See, as we discussed before, can you please minimize this thing? I mean, AnyDesk. No, no, don't close it. Yeah. Just give me, no, don't worry. Just give me a minute. Let me do it. So you have to press next. Okay. Press next.
Yeah.
So see. 1 second. You have enough space in C disk, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If it is the case, we can press next. Okay. Again, we are installing Android Studio. Press next. Install. Yeah, install. Don't worry, install. So it will take some time. It will take nearly 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Don't worry. Exactly, it will take 5 minutes. We don't want to get worried about that. Exactly, it will take 5 minutes. But if you are planning for AVD, it will take nearly 1 hour of time. It's because it will take 5 to 6 GB, right? So obviously it will take some time. So let me show you that. In my system, if I go to desktop, if I go to C drive, I'm going to C drive. I'm going to programming files. I'm going to Android. I'm going to Android Studio. Android devices there. And just give me a minute. Let me check in which. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check in which location the AVD is installed. So again, I'm going to create a new AVD, selecting next. Again, I'm selecting. I'm canceling this. See users office. Okay. See users office, and inside the office app data. Yeah, here it is. Not this one. Data will be here. See, here it is. See, we do have right now we have created a Vedika app, right? Can you see this? See, it is here. Yeah. But see, usually for ADK manager, SDK manager, it will take nearly 10 to 15 GB of data. So please make sure if you have a data, you can download. Let me show you. See, you have number of datas, right? So it will be more complicated.
Yeah.
It is finished, right? Okay. So right now we are launching an application. That's it. It is completed. So the next part will be, as we discussed, what you are going to do. Are you going to use it in AVD or are you going to use it in mobile? It's totally your wish.
Okay.
Which one we have to use?
AVD.
Great, we'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, great. See. In previously I said, right? See, let me show you that. Oh God. Yeah, here it is. Can you see this presentation? Complete installation. So you really want to import the file, or I don't want to import. So what we have to do is we have to go to this second thing and we have to select OK.
Do not.
Okay. Great. That's it. Yeah. Install the Android Studio installation is completed now. So we don't want to talk about the AVD, but right now the Android Studio is completed. So it is opening. Okay. So if you initially install and open the Android Studio, let me show you. So this will be the page. Okay, let me show you.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Don't worry, it will take some time. It is clearly asking. See, right now you are doing a process. So whether you want to share the data to Google or not. So it's all according to your thing. I mean, if you are really a developer, you can share the statistics to Google. If you don't want to share the statistics, you straight away don't send. Okay. So right now I'm selecting this. It's all if your features and if your packages are good, so you can share this so that Google can see your data. So that is the reason it is asking.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Either you can select any of those. I can't do it. It's because it is totally, see, right now in my arrow it is showing, right? So I'm not possible to access this thing. Only you can do it. Either you can say select this or you can select this. Please select it. Ms. Vedika, can you hear me? Yeah, you have to select either this one or this one. It's totally your wish. It's very simple. Allow Google to collect the usage data of Android Studio. Only the Android Studio usage will be collected by data, not your personal data. Clear? It's because it will make your programming or make your Android Studio more enhanceable to you. So that is the reason it is asking permission. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Please select any of those, yeah. Either you can.
I selected. Don't. I selected.
Okay, I think the AnyDisk is disconnected.
Okay.
No problem, no problem. That is the reason it is not showing to me. So can you please connect again? I am connecting.
Yeah.
Please accept it. Okay.
Yeah.
So after installation, we can see the AVD tomorrow if it is okay for you. Okay. AVD installation and the remaining part will be explained tomorrow. Okay. Okay, please wait the remote side to accept your session request. Okay. Vedika, what happened?
I don't know.
Okay, just give me a minute. Let me connect again. Okay.
Yeah.
Accept here. Please wait. The remote is accepting. Yeah, it is accepting. Just give me a minute. Let me. Okay, so can you please go to Android Studio? Great. Standard is fine. So please select next. Okay. Yeah. So see in your system, which one you prefer? A white color theme or a black color theme? Which one you want? You want black color theme? Great.
Yeah.
Okay, go to finish. So see, it will take. It will take some time. So it will download the components, as I said before. AVD will be downloaded. It will take some data. It's fine for you, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it will take nearly 1 to 2 GB of data.
Okay.
That's fine for you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Great. So let's wait for the best. So usually it will take, to be very frank, usually it will take 10 to 15 minutes of maximum time. Even if you have, it's all according to the system configuration and internet bandwidth. Okay, if the bandwidth is good, surely it will be easier. Okay. So you don't want to
Okay.
get worried. Usually it will take some time. Let's put it in that way. I
Okay.
have downloaded it. It's
Hmm.
because, as I discussed, it is exclusively for online classes. So it is so fast. So, but usually it will take some time. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So how is your academic is going? You are in 11th, right?
12th.
I'm really so. Oh, really? You are in 12th.
Yeah.
So you're planning for NEET exams, it seems, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you planning for BITSAT medical or JIPMA or anything like that? I mean, are
Sorry?
you are you planning for JIPMA exams, BITSAT medical exams?
No.
Okay, you're planning for only NEET, it seems, right?
Uh-huh.
Great, great, great. So, you are interested in coding. Why is that? Anyway, you're planning for medical, right? So, you
Yeah.
are interested in coding. Why is that? Do you have any reasons? I mean,
No,
usually.
it's a hobby type for.
Oh, you okay? It's like coding. I mean, app development is like an hobby for you, right?
Yeah, and for something like side business.
Oh God. See, usually many students are doing that, but to be frank, like coding is an art.
Yeah.
Like you can pursue coding. Coding will be more interesting if you pursue in a good way. I mean, if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
understand the concepts, it will be really great. Yeah, like solving a puzzle, it will be
Hmm.
there. I mean, you got my point, right? So
Yeah.
it will be more interesting. So you,
Yeah.
after completion of this 15 days of classes, if you have any, friends, or if you have any brothers, you teach them. So if you teach them, it
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be more interesting for them. Eventually, you will be.
Yeah.
It's like a revision for you. You got my point, right?
Yeah.
So after the 15
Yeah, yeah.
classes, even you teach some other peoples, okay? Some other kindergarten,
Yeah.
even for kindergarten, you can teach it. That much easy it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I audible? I am
Yes,
boring.
sir.
Okay. See, Vedika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Vedika, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah.
Samya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We
Don't
can
do
hear you.
anything. Please don't do anything. You are not supposed to type anything. Please live as it is. You're not supposed to type anything. You're not supposed to type anything. You got it? Just now it is started. The download is just now starting. Okay. Miss Vedika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Please don't do anything. You're not supposed to type anything. Okay.
Yeah.
So it will take some time. So we'll do something. We'll do something. You please install it now. We can hear you. Okay, got it. So you do something. Please install this now, and after installation, we can take the next classes. Okay, I'll disconnect this call. Today the classes is ended. Okay.
Yeah.
So please download this thing.
Yeah.
And so yeah, I can wait this. I mean, I can wait and I can help you, but I have some other classes. So eventually, some other students will be waiting.
Okay.
Right? Don't worry. It's very simple. I'll teach
Fine.
after installation.
Yeah.
You please I mean, you please select the button finish. Eventually, if I disconnect this call, your
Okay.
internet speed will be more, so it will be more easier to download as well. Okay, so remaining AVD
Yeah.
and mobile
Yeah.
application we can see tomorrow. Got it?
Yeah.
Great, ma. Great. Any other doubts?
No. All
Okay.
done.
Okay, ma. Great. If you have any doubts, you can ask in third classes. Got it?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for your time. Please mention it in feedback. Okay. You'll be receiving a feedback form. Please mention it. If you have any queries, please let us know by next class. I'll be helping you. Got it?
Yeah. Sure.
Great. Vedika. Nice talking with you. Have a great day, Ms. Vedika. Bye.
Yeah. You too. Yeah. Bye.
So disconnect the AnyDisk now. Go to disconnect the AnyDisk now. Let me tell you. Yeah, go to AnyDisk. Good. Select the second thing. Yeah, you have to select this. Let me teach you that. Yeah. Okay. This exited. Let me close this. Okay, Vedika, yeah. Great talking with you. Bye.
Yeah. Sure. Bye.